User experience design process is evolving day by day. Every organization have different set of user experience process, and their documentation and all these things, they are different from other organizations. There is not a very fixed standard in all this process. So when I started user experience design, I was confused that there are different kinds of diagrams, there are user personas, user interviews, where should I use which one, and how much time should I give to that diagram, or do this diagram really matters in my design process or user experience design? So all these questions, I am going to simplify this in this lesson. First thing you need to understand is that whenever you start building something, you are going to be less detailed. So your view will be from top to bottom. You are viewing something from very high above, like bird's eye view. Then when you are going to move inside or in more details or in more depth into user experience process, you are going to get a bit more detailed into your process. You are going to add more details, more specifications, more documentation. You are going to be specific, because all these specifications are going to be handed over to your designers and development team. So whenever you are solving a problem, you need to be very rough, you need to be very sketchy, you need to be very simple, and you need to have a broader view of the whole problem and the solution. So let me tell you a story of one of my clients. What he did, he had a great idea of an app. He started building it, and it was a neighborhood safety community app where neighbors inform others about the local area that this section is not safe or this street is not safe. I have seen some suspicious person over there. And what he did wrong was that he actually added like 20 or 30 different more features into the same app, which were not needed. So you are going to make different business decisions that should this feature be added to this app right now, or should we eliminate it? So you are going to build different priorities, business priorities, that this is going to cost us that much. So these are all the things you are going to be doing in user experience process. You are going to first move from your baseline or base level diagrams to more detailed diagrams, or more specific diagrams, or more specific tasks what your app is going to do. So that is all for this video. I'm going to show you all the different diagrams and names and where actually they fall in the design process. So see you soon in the next video.